When a new piece of creator gear starts making waves before it even officially exists, you know it's something special. Right now, that excitement belongs to DJI, the global leader in camera stabilization and drone technology. The whispers, leaks, and speculative buzz are all about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a device that could redefine what it means to carry a cinema-quality camera in your pocket. We've seen some early leaks, scattered images, and insider hints. Even though DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, the hype train is already full speed ahead. The Osmo Pocket series has always been a favorite among vloggers, filmmakers, and casual creators thanks to its compact design and unmatched stabilization. Now, with rumors of upgraded sensors, dual camera setups, and professional-grade recording modes, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become DJI's most impressive handheld gimbal camera yet. So, let's break this down step by step, diving deep into design changes, rumored specs, video capabilities, creative features, and how the Pocket 4 could impact the way creators work in 2025 and beyond. A quick history of the Osmo Pocket series. Before we dive into the Osmo Pocket 4 rumors, it's worth revisiting where this series started. DJI has a track record of shrinking advanced technology into portable packages. DJI Osmo Pocket, 2018. A revolution at the time. Tiny, stabilized, and able to deliver 4K footage in a form factor small enough to fit into your jeans pocket. Osmo Pocket 2, 2020. Added better audio, improved autofocus, and upgraded low-light performance. Osmo Pocket 3, 2023. Brought the huge 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 FPS, and professional-grade 10-bit D-Log M color profile. Each generation kept what made the Pocket unique: compact portability and smooth gimbal stabilization, while layering in more advanced features that appealed to both casual vloggers and professional filmmakers. Now, with the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI faces a critical choice. Push image quality even further with a larger sensor or lean into AI-driven smart features and multi-camera systems. Design rumors. Familiar but fresh leaked images suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 won't stray too far from the design language of its predecessors. The slim vertical shape is part of its identity. It's literally what makes it a pocket camera. This ergonomic, one-handed design allows creators to shoot on the move, vlog at arm's length, or tuck it away instantly when traveling. But zooming into the leaked renders, one detail stands out: a dual-lens camera module. The primary lens appears larger, likely housing a powerful main sensor. The secondary lens is smaller, positioned beside it, hinting at new functionality. This mirrors DJI's experiments with multi-camera setups on drones, like the DJI Mavic 3 series, where telephoto lenses, wide-angle options, and hybrid zoom all combine to give creators new perspectives. Possible roles for the second lens. Depth mapping. For more natural background blur and subject separation. Similar to portrait modes in smartphones, but with higher precision. Ultra-wide shooting. Giving vloggers the ability to capture immersive, wide-angle perspectives without additional accessories. Telephoto zoom. A long-requested feature that could finally make its way into the Pocket line. Perfect for wildlife, events, or cinematic storytelling. AI tracking. Assist, helping ActiveTrack better recognize subjects, even in crowded or complex environments. If true, this could be a game-changing upgrade for creators who've always wished their pocket camera could deliver the versatility of a multi-lens smartphone, but with the stability and cinematic feel that DJI is known for. The sensor debate, bigger or smarter? The Osmo Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor was one of its defining features. It gave creators stunning low-light performance, shallow depth of field, and overall cinematic image quality. Now, rumors suggest DJI may have to shrink the sensor slightly to accommodate the dual lens system. This creates a balancing act. Option 1. Keep the 1-inch sensor, prioritize cinematic image quality, and push color science even further. Option 2. Opt for slightly smaller sensors but add AI-driven versatility, multiple focal lengths, and smarter shooting tools. For creators, the trade-off is clear. Do you want pure cinematic power or a more flexible all-in-one tool? DJI could also surprise us with a hybrid solution, dual sensors with different focal lengths, similar to how smartphones pair wide and telephoto cameras while still maintaining strong image quality. Video power. 4K, 8K, and beyond. Perhaps the most exciting rumors around the Osmo Pocket 4 are its video recording capabilities. K at up to 240 FPS, perfect for ultra-smooth slow-motion sequences, 6K or even 8K at 30 FPS. Speculative, but not impossible given DJI's track record. AI stills in RAW format, keeping photography sharp and flexible for editing. Why 8K could matter? A lot of creators roll their eyes at 8K, saying it's overkill. And for casual users, maybe it is. But here's why it's still important. Reframing in post, crop into footage without losing resolution. Future-proofing. Displays are evolving fast, and 8K content will age better than 4K. Professional flexibility. Editors can stabilize or zoom digitally in post while keeping sharp results. So while the average vlogger might not export in 8K, the extra resolution is a powerful creative tool. Smarter shooting, AI, ActiveTrack, and auto-framing. One of DJI's biggest strengths is its software intelligence, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to take that to the next level. Features we might see. ActiveTrack 5.0 Plus, locking onto subjects with even more precision. Handling crowds, motion blur, and tricky lighting. Auto-framing, automatically adjusting composition to keep you perfectly framed during vlogs or solo shoots. Gesture control, start recording or switch modes with simple hand signals. AI scene detection, switching settings automatically for landscapes, night scenes, or indoor shooting. Pair this with DJI's world-class 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and suddenly the Osmo Pocket 4 feels less like a gadget and more like a miniature camera crew, color science and dynamic. Range professional creators often care less about raw specs and more about how footage looks straight out of camera. The Osmo Pocket 3 introduced 10-bit D-Log-M, which expanded dynamic range and allowed serious grading in post-production. With the Pocket 4, DJI could push this further with improved highlight roll-off for cinematic skies and sunsets, better shadow detail, recovery for low-light shoots, richer color depth for natural skin tones and vibrant landscapes. If these improvements come through, the Pocket 4 could rival much larger mirrorless cameras in terms of color quality, while still fitting into your jacket pocket. Usability upgrades. Screen, battery, and portability specs are great, but for creators on the move, usability is everything. Rumored improvements: 0.2-inch touchscreen, bigger than before, making framing and menu navigation easier. Weight under 200 grams, still extremely pocketable, even with new features. Battery life around 3 hours at 1080p, with fast charging to 80% in just 15 minutes. For travel vloggers, adventure creators, or anyone filming long walk-and-talk sequences, these upgrades are massive. Imagine recharging your camera during a coffee break and being ready for hours of content creation. Why the Osmo Pocket 4 matters in 2025. We're living in an age where content creation is exploding. From TikTok and Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts and cinematic travel vlogs, creators need gear that's portable enough to carry anywhere, powerful enough to deliver professional results, simple enough to use without a steep learning curve. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 fits that sweet spot. It's a device that could appeal to beginners starting their creator journey and professionals looking for a secondary travel camera alike. Competing with smartphones? Yes. Modern smartphones shoot amazing video, but they can't match true mechanical stabilization, optical versatility, or dedicated color science. The Pocket 4 gives creators something their phone can't: cinematic footage with minimal effort. Competing with bigger cameras, on the other side, mirrorless cameras and DSLRs offer top-tier image quality, but they're heavy, expensive, and not always practical for casual creators. The Pocket 4 could serve as a middle ground, delivering high-end visuals in a fraction of the size and cost. Pricing and release date speculation: DJI typically launches new Osmo devices in late fall or early winter, just in time for the holiday season. If history repeats itself, we could see the Osmo Pocket 4 released in late 2025. As for pricing, expect something in the $499–$699 range, depending on whether DJI keeps the large sensor or opts for a dual camera system. Bundles with accessories like wireless mics, tripods, or ND filters could push the price higher. Final thoughts: the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another small upgrade. It has the potential to be a defining tool for the next generation of creators. If DJI doubles down on sensor quality, we'll see stunning cinematic footage rivaling bigger rigs. If DJI leans into AI features and dual-lens versatility, the Pocket 4 could become the ultimate creator-friendly smart camera.